Siasa robotro kobwatia chinga kiribera rya gisiasa rigendrete gukina imeyense bosio bachorio bonene omwako gocha niko bone kiombe kia Ncic yaesokire na kuru Koboria gochasa Abakenya abagabana siasa guyatana na kurwase chinkwana cyo gosegeto bogesako bagokwana kurwase chabisi kiombe kyo haiga somo cyo Nairobi niko bona ABARAI abo barure Koboria gochasa Abakenya kubasoera ABARAI bali bagobotoka chinkwana icho kirachigo turubania omorembe imeyense chinga kecho boigo niko barure Koboria gochasa ABASAE gotia gotumekwa BOBE na banasiasa murikitoli net nyambane na mange.
Anyone recruit your voice, recruit your keyboard or your energy into the work of division. Your future as a young person depends on the peace you choose to build today.
Ukuo no Koboria kurwa ase ekiombe kia National Cohesion and Integration Commission ase baruro Koboria gochia ase Abakenya na boigo ABARAI bagesiasa ukenonora amangana bagukwana nario ogutatananeka gutabe asense.
Guard your tongue and guard your timeline. Report hate speech when you encounter it. Refuse to share it, refuse to amplify it, and refuse to let it define how you see your fellow Kenyan. To fellow faith leaders across the mosques, the churches, the temples, and the shrines, let us continue to speak with one voice so that the pulpit and the minbar remain places of healing, not platforms for political divisions.
Chinga kiechicho batebire abanasiasa ekero bakogenda ase chikanisa nigo babwenerete kubeka omorembe na tarikoreta CHIBURABURU ase batebire babwenerete kubwatia emeroberi yekanisa chinga kibare ase nsemeyo.
We have guidelines and these guidelines are supposed to be followed, because when they come as worshippers, we expect them to just worship. But you see, these leaders, when you give them the mic, sometimes they go overboard. And they go overboard to insult one another with all the disregard to the places of worship, the sanctuaries. And of late, we have seen they are accompanied by their goons, whom they have hired. Some are on payrolls, others are following them for handouts. And that's the reason why we have said that on the way to the 2027 general elections, we are going to continue to tighten these guidelines and procedures so that these politicians, when they come to our places of worship, whether it is a temple or a mosque or a church, they don't come with their agenda. They come with the only agenda to worship God and to participate in the worship as already scheduled.
Ekiombe kyo nigo bono giatebire nonya ebinambiro byabeire ase chinga kichintambe obutuki nigo bogenderete ase bono baruro Koboria gochia ase Abakenya kubeka chiriboti chiricho gosegeta obogesaku ase ekiombe kyo.
We have the capacity. Once we have collaborated with the Communication Authority of Kenya, who are charged with the responsibility, for example, of transcribing any speech, any rhetoric in vernacular, in whichever language, and we realize it meets the threshold for prosecution, that's when we begin to act. So it's joint collaboration in the sense that we have in-house investigators, all right? But at the same time, we depend heavily on complaints from the public.
Ngoripoteria Ncic TV kurwa ase ekaunti ya Nairobi erietariane Linet Nyambane.